The Big Joe WRT60 Rider pallet truck is a simple, heavy-duty machine that is built to last and do work fast. The perfect tool for transporting a high number of pallets hour after hour, shift after shift. The WRT60 Rider pallet truck features a unitized steel frame and large AC drive motor capable of transporting pallets weighing up to 6,000 pounds at speeds of over 9 miles per hour. Standard features on the WRT60 include a key switch, battery discharge indicator, hour meter, and a 13-inch industrial battery compartment on the unit's chassis, with fork entry rollers on the vehicle's heavy-duty forks for smooth pallet entry and exit. For operator comfort and productivity, the WRT60 features a large cushioned rider platform and an ergonomic grab bar with controls for lift, lower, one-click high speed, and the unit's horn. On the steer arm of the WRT60, dual controls are provided for infinitely variable forward and reverse travel, as are secondary controls for lift and lower and a reversing switch for added safety. The heavy-duty Big Joe WRT60 excels at tasks such as order picking and the loading and unloading of trailers, and has a large number of available options to fit the specific needs of an application. Fork lengths on the WRT60 are available from as short as 36 inches for items like beverage pallets, all the way up to 96 inches for handling 2 pallets at a time. For use in roles such as manufacturing support, the WRT is also available in a low-speed walkie version that eliminates the rider platform. If you need a tough workhorse of a vehicle to move pallets quickly, look no further than the Big Joe WRT60. Sure, you can pay more, but you won't get a better truck.